you can put a cover on your hybrids that includes a picture, an image, or even your logo. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. I'm out here with my naked hybrid woods, and I actually found this company that will print a photograph, your image, anything you want really, on different head covers. You can get them for drivers. I got this one for hybrids here, so they're a little bit smaller. They kind of have the same style. They also have the vintage style head covers, but you know, these are really popular here. You can get them in a variety of colors on the side, even the piping here, and whatever you print, whatever image you send them, they will print on this top portion. So you can have this whole thing filled with a photograph. You can put your logo here. It's actually the easiest and cheapest way that I have found to have anything kind of custom made for this. You have your long little sock here to protect the shaft as well, and this one is called the dimple texture, and it's pretty nice. I like it. And you can see here the material is kind of like a neoprene, and it seems to hold the image really well. I have read reviews that people say it holds up nicely, it lasts a long time. The print quality here is really nice. You know, it's not raised or anything, it's not embroidered, so it's going to be a little easier to manufacture. It's going to be a lot cheaper than a lot of custom head covers. But if you wanted to, you know, promote your company, put your family on here, maybe you have a logo like I do, maybe you just want a line from a movie or something like that, you can do that as well. And so you can have your head cover custom made. Now, it does take a little while to get. I would say it was probably 10 days between ordering to the time I received it. It comes from Michigan, which I actually like because that's my hometown. And now if I wanted to just throw this on one of my hybrids here, you can just slide this and it goes on just like that, and boom, now I have a head cover. Now this material here seems like some sort of synthetic. Hopefully it'll stay decently clean, but usually take pretty good care of your head covers. Hey, that's pretty cool. You know, this was $35 for this head cover. Generic head covers range from anywhere from 10 to 15 bucks each if you want to get the head cover that actually matches your brand. In this case, if you were to go and buy a Callaway head cover, you're talking about 30 bucks. So for 35 to have your own custom head cover is pretty cool. Hey, if you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.